Hey kids! Did you know that kittens aren't just cute, but they're also total superstars? They can do things that even superheroes would find amazing. Today, we're showing you 4 cool kittens who prove they're absolutely incredible. Let's go. Imagine a kitten spinning your favourite tunes. This little DJ kitten has headphones on and is turning the turntables. It looks like it's throwing the coolest party ever, and it's only as big as a sock. This kitten is a real yoga pro. It's stretching on a yoga mat, doing the cat pose. Kittens are so flexible, they'd make any yoga teacher jealous. Maybe we should all learn from them. And here's a kitten taking over the world of science. With tiny safety goggles and curious paws, it's exploring test tubes and microscopes. Who knows, maybe it'll discover the cure for boredom soon. Here comes Super Kitten. With a tiny cape and a brave leap, it's saving the world, or at least the stuffed mice. Kittens are like little superheroes, always ready for adventure. Kittens aren't just adorable, they're super talented. They can be DJs, superheroes, yoga masters, and even scientists. They're like tiny all-rounders who make life way more exciting. Kittens, small, quick, and full of tricks. They'll turn you into super fans in just one flick.